Hi, I'm Daniela Angie Pangilinan from BS Cream 2Y2-4. So I explain the procedures in black and white printing making. So first, contact printing. Step 1, preparation. So ito po talaga yung unang gagawin na natin. Ipiprepare muna natin ang ating darkroom, enlarger, and chemicals as if you are were making a normal enlargement print. Ito po yung natin, printing, contact printing, then we will use a Patterson Proofer copy board. Ito po yung copy board natin, then i-insert po natin yung contact printing or contact sheet, glass on the enlarger base on the board. So, ito po yung natin, board may glass po dyan and then may lock din po yan. So, second po, yung ensuring the room is in safe light. So, kailangan po naka-safe light tayo and place another sheet of multigrade paper into the contact printing and place on your negative before covering with the glass. So, i-insert na po natin do sa board yung contact printing natin, then ilalak na po natin siya dun sa gustong pagka-negative po natin bago po i-cover yung contact printing sa glass. So, third step po, ito yung save by paper cutting into the strips to use for the test printing and pick up a single strip to negatives which show a good range of light and dark stones. So, dito po na natin step, ito po yung parang sa timer. Set po natin yung pagka-lights niya and the dark stones. So, pang fourth po, step, use a grade 2 filter in the larger. Yun po, yung in-insert niya po dito, ito po yung sinasabi niyang grade 2 filter in the enlarger. Set your enlarger to give a paper the correct exposure. So next po, dito na dadaan na po tayo dun sa repeat the processing step in the chemicals. Itong una, yung kulay red, is multigrade developer. In 60 seconds po, mag-a-appear na po yung contact printing natin o yung image. So, second po, yung IFO stop. Mag-stop muna po siya. Then, for the last is the rapid fix in the 30 seconds. Then, pagkatapos na po dito sa step na to, then, imove na po natin sa pang 6 step po. Ilalagay na po siya natin doon sa after the fixer, you will need to wash the final print. So, ibababad lang po natin siya sa water. Then, the last po, once you dry, you can then decide which negative you want to enlarger. So, parang sisilipin na po natin kung ano yung gustong pagka-negative po natin sa enlarger po natin. Ito po yung last step for the contact printing. So, next po yung photo enlarging. So, I will discuss this. So, first, this is the photo. The negative is placed into the carrier. So, yung carrier po yun, parang po siya, yung dun sa yung for example, ito po yung sa pancake. Iipit po siya doon. Then, second step po, the negative carrier insert into the enlarger. I-insert na po yung carrier po, i-insert na po siya dun sa parang po, dito po sa enlarger na to. Ito po yung dun sa kulay black. So, third step po, yung the light shines through the negatives and lens and projects the image onto the easel. The larger head moves up and down and column to frame and focus to the image on the easel. Ito po yung easel na to, yung linalagay po yung na po yung image. Kumbaga, na-insert na po siya sa loob, then mag-a-appear po yung image sa baba. So, for the fourth step, a focus finder is used to check the project and image is in focus. So, yun nga po, yung doon sa baba po, i-focus finder po nila to check the project of image. Ito po yun. So, pang fifth step po, this is the multigrading filters. Yung kulay pink po, ito po yung multigrading filters. Then, i-insert po siya sa enlarger. Ito po, insert po siya sa loob ng enlarger. Multigrade filters can be used to change the contrast of the print. So, yung ano po nung multigrade, nakakatulong po siya to change the contrast of the print. So, next step po, yung photographic paper is used onto the easel which sits on the baseboard. So, yun nga po, mag-i-insert na po yung photographic paper po. Then, the last step po, the last procedures, how to make photo enlarging. An enlarged timer is used to measure the exposure time. You will not see the image on the paper but your print is now ready to develop. So, ito nga po yung print. Hindi po natin makikita yung image, but mapiprint po natin to ready to develop po. Ito po siya. If you can see po, ayan po, naka-lights na po yung enlarger natin dun sa photographic paper or dun sa image po na mismong gusto natin. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much for this watching the photo enlarging and contact printing. Thank you so much po. Keep safe everyone.